Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 8 of the course Social Innovation in Industry 4.0. So viewers, you can see the scores. I have provided the answers of week assignment number 3, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and in all of the weeks we scored 100. Okay, so it's time to solve week assignment number 8. Answers of week assignment number 7 is already uploaded. You can check it on the channel. So let's solve week number 8. Question number 1 is true or false. We just have to answer the given statement is true or false. So statement is social marketing companies have no ethical considerations and can use any means necessary to achieve behavior change. So is this statement true or false? So this is false one. Okay, moving to the next one. Public service announcements PSA and social marketing campaigns are the same thing. So is this true or false? So both are different. So here the false option will be the correct answer for this question. Question number 3 is what is a theory of change in social marketing planning? So options are a hypothetical scenario with no relevance to the companion, a detailed plan for financial profitability, a strategic approach to achieving behavior change by understanding the process of influence, a random assortment of ideas and concepts. So the answer for question number 3 will be option number C, that is a strategic approach to achieving behavior change by understanding the process of influence. Okay. Question number 4 is which of the following is not a component of the social marketing mix? Options are given as price, place, profit, promotion. So the answer will be profit here. Okay, option number C. Question number 5 is what is the role of partnerships and collaborations in social marketing campaigns? So the options are, option A is they are not relevant to social marketing campaigns. Option B is they help reduce the budget required for advertising. Option C is they bring together organizations with similar goals to leverage resources and expertise. And option D, they primarily focus on competition rather than corporation. So the answer will be option number C, that is they bring together organizations with similar goals to leverage resources and expertise. Question number 6 is in which sector would you find a social innovation that focuses on improving access to quality education? So options are healthcare sector, education sector, financial sector, agricultural sector. So the answer will be education sector. Okay, for question number 6, option B will be the correct answer. Question number 8 is 7 is what is the final step in the process of creating social innovations? So options are scaling the innovation, conducting a feasibility study, identifying stakeholders, evaluating the impact. So the answer for this question will be option number A, that is scaling the innovation. So viewers, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe it for getting answers of weekly assignment, and if my video helps you to score 100 or nearby 100, then please like the video and share the video with native ones. Okay, so moving to the next question. Question number 8 is which step in the social innovation process involves conducting a feasibility study to assess the viability of the innovation? Options are scaling the innovation, identifying the problem, developing a business plan, evaluating the impact. So the answer for question number 8 will be option number C, developing a business plan. Okay. Question number 9 is how can social innovators ensure the long-term success of their initiatives? So options are focusing exclusively on short-term goals, regularly monitoring and adapting the innovation to changing circumstances, ignoring feedback from beneficiaries, prioritizing individual recognition over collective impact. So the answer will be regularly monitoring and adapting the innovation to changing circumstances. That is option number B. So moving to the last question. Question number 10 is socio-economic innovations are primarily concerned with. Options are cultural preservation, maximizing financial profits, addressing economic disparities, and option D is environmental protection. So the answer for question number 10 will be option number C, that is addressing economic disparities. Okay, so we have solved all the questions. Let's submit it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and share it with anyone. Thank you.